see this? They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop!